Am I audible, sir? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. See, now last class, composition, relation, everything we studied. Now today we go for the properties of relations. See, actually there is a lot of properties are there. Just you can see. A relation already in textbook is there. Just you can see that I will send you the notes also, the PPT, everything else. Just you can listen. A relation or on a set A is said to be reflexive. A relation is said to be reflexive. A related to A related to A, for every A belongs to, for every belongs to A. That is implies in A comma A belongs to R. A set is said to be reflexive means what? Element A is related to A. For every A belongs to A, the first set A comma A belongs to that what set of relation. For example, you see what he is telling. If R is a relation on A, defined by A comma B belongs to R, such a way you can take elements A comma B from A. There is some relation they are defining. How they are defining is A less than or equal to B. So, how they define? Set A is equal to 1, 2, 3. A comma B belongs to R. A less than or equal to B is my relation. Now we can form the set of the pair or the pair you can form. How you will get? Tell me. That condition should be satisfied. You can take one element. If you take it, you are able to get 1 comma something. If you write this one, this 1 less than or equal to that fellow. So how many chances are you will get? Tell me first. How many chances are there? People are there or not? A less than or equal. Suppose if you take 1 is inside means what? How many chances you will get? 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3. Is satisfied or not?
Sir, satisfied.
Then if suppose if you take 2, such a way I want to form the relation, how it will come? You can take such a element A comma B belongs to that, and what is A belongs to A only. From this set only how to make a
2,
relation.
2.
2 comma 2 can I write already?
Yes, sir.
Then another set of can you get
2,
another
3.
Very
2,
good.
3.
2 comma 3. Then next
3, 3.
3 comma
3.
Now see, a set is a set to be reflexive means what A related to A. The R for every A belongs to A. For every A, how many elements are there inside the A? For all elements you should take A comma A should be inside the my relative. Is there or not? See, 1 means what? 1 comma 1 is there. Okay, happy. 2 means what? 2 comma 2 is there. 3 means what? 3 comma 3 is there, so this is not reflexive. Correct or not? Any doubt?
No, sir.
So reflexive means what? For every element belongs to A related to A comma A belongs to that relation. Means what set of that relation is, you can say is called reflexive. Okay, yeah. Suppose irreflexive means what? This condition is not satisfied means you can say irreflexive. Suppose if I take A less than B relation A is equal to 1. 1, 2, 3. Suppose if it is space, any one element is the pair is not there means you can say irreflexive. So how can you write 1 less than B means how can you write? 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 2 comma 3. Suppose if I define another relation, some rule, 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 1 comma 3. This is a irreflexive or reflexive. This down the line you can see. Is it reflexive or irreflexive?
No, not reflective. Not
Means
reflective.
irreflexive. Why?
Sir,
Why?
because 3 comma 3 is not there.
Very good. That reason also we have to tell. Why I am missing the chance? 1 1 is there, 2 2 is there, but 3 3 is missing. So it's a reflexive, irreflexive. Okay, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Textbook is there. If you just the all notations, you can read yourself. Next, a relation is R on a set A said to be symmetric. Not symmetric. What I mean. A relation R on a set A is said to be symmetric if whenever A related to B, then B related to A. If you are able to write 1 comma 2 means what? 2 comma 1 also it should be there. Then you can say it's symmetry. Okay, yeah. Then A comma B, B also belongs to R. A comma B belongs to R means what? Compulsory. B comma A also belongs to R. Suppose we take an example. Symmetry or not? A related to B means B related also belongs to B related also. Then implies if A comma B is inside C means what immediately can say B comma A also inside A. Then A comma B is what belongs to A, capital set A. Now check the symmetric or not.
Symmetric, sir.
Symmetric. Why 1 1 means 1 1 okay. 1 2 means 2 1 is there okay happy. 3 1 means what 1 3 is there. Okay. Any problem?
No, sir.
Note down first. Next. See, this relation R on A, it's not symmetric means what? If there exists A comma B belongs to A, but B comma A does not belongs to A, means you can say it is B, sorry, belongs to not, does not belongs to R, means you can say not symmetric in C. Not symmetric means that for all A comma B belongs to R, meaning B comma A does not belongs to R. So this you can say not symmetric. Any one thing fail also gets if for every A comma B, it should be B comma A, means you can say symmetric. If it is fails means what you can say it's not symmetric. So one relation and defining all is equal to. Then I do some equations like this, they ask to find out excel sums are not of them, this you can practice. It's given the substituting the numerical values, check calculate. Is symmetric or not symmetric?
Sir, not symmetric.
Why?
Sir, for 4 1 there is nothing 1 4 not there.
1 comma 3, 3 comma 1 is there. 2 comma 3,
Yes.
2, 3 comma 3. But 4 comma 5, that
There's
5
nothing.
comma 4 is not there. Correct? Yes. Next. Antisymmetric. Antisymmetric means what? How can you define this itself? A relation R on a set A is said to be antisymmetric whenever A comma B and B comma A belongs to R, A comma B and B comma A belongs to R. Otherwise, you can write. Sorry, symbol only. A comma B belongs to R and B comma A also belongs to R. Then A is equal to B. Previously, this condition I have not told for symmetric and not symmetric. If it is anti-symmetric means what? A comma B belongs to R, B obviously is what? Reflection means all elements should be there. Suppose 1 comma 1 means what? The 1 is equal to that's like this. The relation may be if they tell from there we can adjust. A comma B belongs to A R and B comma A also belongs to R. If you define on a one set, then you can say A is equal to B means the relation is called anti-symmetric. If it is not anti-symmetric means how can we say? Same story. A comma B, B comma A, maybe it's symmetric. But not equal means what? You can say it's a not anti-symmetric. Don't confuse reflexive, symmetric, and anti-symmetric, not symmetric. One maybe small variation should be there. If it looks, it appears maybe same story, but some conditions maybe sometimes they won't satisfy, CS satisfies. And if you find doing the problem, so you understand. But theory you can see first. Next. Suppose, if you, for example, if you make what is saying, the set of all perpendicular lines. If A is perpendicular to B, means what? B also perpendicular to A. Suppose, if you write actually A less than or equal to B, means that you cannot say B less than or equal to A. Suppose 4 less than or equal to 5 is what you cannot say 5 less than or equal to 4. It's may fail. A, B, B on times. A less than or equal to B also I want to type. Similarly, A minus B is cannot be B minus A, it won't be. For example, a relation of a perpendicular line of set of lines, the plane is symmetric. The plane is symmetric since if a line is perpendicular to the line B, a line is line B, then B is perpendicular to the A. The relation less than or equal to on a set Z. Z means what? Integers, not a symmetric. Since, for example, 4 less than or equal to 5 and 5 less than or equal to same thing. 4 minus 5 means what? 5 minus you cannot get. Same thing you will get. The relation by divisibility of n is a antisymmetric. Since whenever is m is divisible by n is divisible by m, then m is equal to n. Yes. Because if it's m is equal to n means what? Guarantee m is divisible by n means what? N also divisible by m is obvious result. Getting or not? Any doubt? And symmetric and antisymmetric are not negative of each other. Both are not reverse. Don't confuse actually. Symmetric is different chemistry and antisymmetric is different story. Antisymmetric means what? A comma B also there. If it is B comma A also there. If it is there means we can say it's a symmetric. But antisymmetric case means what? A comma B also is there. B comma A is there. Since when you can say antisymmetric, A is equal to B means you can say antisymmetric. Correct? In that case, not required. 1 is equal to 2 inside means what? 2 is equal to 1 or inside means I can say symmetric, no problem. But if it is 1 is equal to 2 means I can say antisymmetric. Correct? Any doubts? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Relation divisibility is what? M is divisible by n is m divisible symmetric, you can say. Not negative, okay. Next. Next. A relation. How many relations we discussed? Reflexive, then irreflexive, then symmetric, not symmetric, anti-symmetric, not anti-symmetric. Then transitive. A relation is said to be transitive. Transitive means what? A is equal to B. B is equal to C means RBC. This how they will define. Transitive means what? If whenever A related to B and B related to C and B related to C implies A to B, B to C, then stop is C true. It's called transitive. Similarly, same story. Not transitive means how can you define? Tell me. If transitive means what? A comma B belongs to R, B comma C belongs to R. Immediately you can check A and C are there. Not transitive means how can you say? Tell me, define. How will you define? People are there or not? Transitive means A comma belongs to R and B comma C also belongs to R. Then obviously A comma C also belongs to R. Not transitive means how can you define?
Sir, A comma B belongs to R, B comma C belongs to R, but A comma C does not belong to R.
A comma B belongs to R, okay. Then?
Yeah, but A comma C does not belong to R. Like A and C don't.
No.
No?
How can you say? First condition should be okay. This should be guaranteed. A comma B belongs to R, B comma C also belongs to R. But A comma C does not belong. When you will see A comma C, when you will think about A comma C, A, B, B, C available there means what? A, C you can think. If it is not B, C not available, so how can you think A comma C? Tell me. How can you relate actually? Getting or not? Any problem? A comma B also belongs to R. B comma C also belongs to R. But here missing is what? This should be okay, happily available inside my set. But B, A comma C does not. Clear? This he cannot violate. These two, if it is there, means I can think about this. Sir, okay, yeah. Okay or not, tell me.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay, right. Next. Then suppose if we see A is subset of B, B is subset of C. Then obviously A is a subset of LC or not, tell me. In every element of A should be contained B. Then every element of B contains C. Then from if it is transitive means how it will be appear, tell me. How can you say relation? How can you say the relation? This is A. Correct? A is the subset of B. Then B is subset of C means what? Okay, yeah. Now tell me. Now what condition you will tell me. Not talking. Or feeling bored. Because theory subject, like this only go. This maths 3 or numerical method means what, that is different story. We can never play with anything. With 5 minutes also we can complete, 50 hours also we can complete. Theory subject also it should be more only. Come on. Come on, yeah. A is subset of B, B is subset of C means what you will say? Diagram
A
of
is
the.
subset of C.
I need that. See, A is inside B, B is inside C, obviously A is inside C. Next. Let's open the textbook and read, then you'll understand. As I'm not giving anything but right in my list, I'm explaining only. So go home, the textbook is there, what I said in the textbook. Just open all the need is script path, you can open and see. If it is not available, at least what I said in the textbook you can see. Next. Take equivalence relation. Equivalence relation means, how can you say, a relation R and a set A is said to be equivalence relation if R is relation. Then first condition. What? Hello? R is reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. into equivalence relation means what? The three relationship satisfies reflexive, symmetric, transitive means what you can say. It's called equivalence relation. Then this how can you write reflexive is what? Every A, first condition is what? A related to A for all A belongs to A. To write notation. A related to A for all A belongs to A. That is A comma A also you can write. Then next is what? Second condition how can you write? If A related to B, then B also related to B. Third condition is what? Transitive means how can you write? Tell me. How can you write sir? Transitive? Transitive means how can you write? If people are there or not, please. Am I audible or not? Transitive means tell me. Yeah.
So transitive ARB, BRC, then ARC.
So A also related to B and B also related to A implies then
A related to C.
C. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Implies this is called equivalence relation. Any problems are there? Okay. Now this example is see, which are the following relations are relations on 0, 1, 2, 3. Elements also is given are equivalence relation. Find the properties of an equivalence relation that you can see under simpler. That we can see. First you can see. Find the properties of the equivalence relation that the others lack. First relation is independent. Set the A is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Now he is telling find the equivalence relation satisfy. R is equal to 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. The equivalents are not telling me. So I can see if it is reflexive. Reflexive means what? Every A belongs to A comma A is what? A related to A. Then for all A. So 0, 0, 1, 1 is there, 2, 2 is there, 3, 3. Then symmetry means what? A comma B means B comma A is inside. So this is also okay, happy. Then transitive means what? A comma B means what? B comma C and means A comma C. These obviously are dual. So R1 is what? Equivalence relation or not? Say yes or no? Nobody talking, sir. Another relation we see. R2 is equal to 0, 0, 0, 2, 2, 0, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 3, 3, 2, and 3, 3. Say this R2 is a equivalence relation or not? Tell me. Equivalence relation is what? It should be reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. Is there or not, sir? Is it reflexive? Is it reflexive or not? Say yes or no. If you say yes, why?
No, sir. No, sir.
Why no?
Sir, 1 comma 1 is not there.
Very good. So first itself, reflex itself fails. But remaining to satisfy, you can see. Symmetric is there, huh?
Yes, sir.
Symmetric is there.
Sir, 0, 2 and 2, 0.
Symmetric is there. But transitive, 0, comma, 0, 2, 2, 0,
Yes, sir.
0, 0 is there. 2, 0, 0, 2, 2, 2, okay. 2, 2, 2, 3 means what? 2, 3 is there. 2, 3, 3, 2 means 2, 2 is there. Then anything missing? Is it transitive?
Sir, 03 is missing now. 022303.
What? I'm not able to hear you. Come on, tell me, yaar.
Sir, 03 is missing. Sir, 02 is there, 23 is there, but 03 is not there.
Where 0, 3? Three, two, 2, 0. Correct? You are telling me. 3, 2, 2, 0 means what? 3, 0 is missing. Are you that only I tell you no? For every element you can see. Suppose if you see 3, 2 is what? 2, 3, then 2, 0. But 3, 0 is missing. Am I correct or not? Say yes or no. So it's not a transitive. So it's not a equivalence relation. Then see, I will give another example. R3. R3 is equal to 0, 0. For every element you can see, that's it. 1, comma 1, 1, comma 2, 2, comma 1, 2, comma 2, 3, comma 3. Is it reflexive or not? Say yes or no. Is it reflexive or not? Tell me. Okay, you can tell me. This is also not equivalency. Why you can say? Reflexive, symmetric, but not transitive. Okay, yeah. Give the attendance. What is the first number? 569 or 539?
569, sir.
569. 569.
Yes, sir.
70.
Present, sir.
71.
Present, sir.
72. Hey, don't put in chat box, sir. I'm away from my laptop. 72 present. 73.
Present, sir.
74.
Present, sir.
75.
Present, sir.
76.
Present, sir.
77. Not there, huh? 78.
Present, sir.
79. 80.
Present, sir.
81.
Present, sir.
82.
Present, sir.
83.
Present, sir.
84.
Present, sir.
85. 85 not there.
Sir, actually 84 not there, sir. He said 85. 85 present, sir.
Okay, 86.
Present, sir.
87. Again they put in sound box, chat box. Who is that? 87. Huh? 88. 89.
Present, sir.
90. 91. 92.
Present, sir.
93.
Present,
Hey, don't put in chat box, sir. Who put the chat box? Sir? Tell me somebody if see means. I'm very
Sir, 87 put.
87. I've seen actually. 93.
Present, sir. 93.
94. Again chat box something.
Present,
Who is
sir.
that? Huh?
Sir, 88.
88. Okay. What's 95.
95 present, sir.
96.
94, I said present, sir.
Okay, given. 96.
Sir, it's not there.
Okay, 97. Thank you.
Present, sir.
98.
Present, sir.
99.
Present, sir.
600.
Present, sir.
1.
So 601 not there.
Okay, 2.
Present, sir.
Thank you. 3.
Present, sir.
4.
Present, sir.
5.
Present, sir.
6.
Present, sir.
7.
Present, sir.
8.
Present, sir.
9.
Present, sir.
10.
Present, sir.
11.
Present, sir.
12.
Present, sir.
13.
Present, sir.
14.
Present, sir.
15.
Present, sir.
16.
Present, sir.
17.
Sir, present, sir.
18.
Present, sir.
19. 619. 20.
Present, sir.
21.
Present, sir.
22.
Present, sir.
What are you doing, Ma? 623. 623. 24.
Present, sir.
25.
Present, sir.
26.
Yes, sir.
27.
Present, sir.
28.
Present, sir.
29.
Present, sir.
30.
Present, sir.
31.
Present, sir.
32.
Present, sir.
33. 633. 34.
32, sir.
Sir, only till 32, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir. Options are 577, 79, 590, 623.
Sir.
90, yeah.
Yes, sir. 590.
How people are attending, you people are telling mic is not working, then now whether you are able to attend the class without mic and speaker. This on your laptop and computer is roaming somewhere.
Sir, 577, sir.
577, now only joined us, sir.
No, sir. I have given in the chat box also. I had my
Okay. Don't do chat first.
Sir, 623 present, sir.
73 I have not given you
Sir,
answer. 579, 623.
Sir, 623 present, sir.
What are you doing till now?
Sir, network issue, sir.
Hey, don't tell your life is with network only our life hereafter. Keep safe the network. 79, only 79 asked you to check. If 79 asked, then just tell me.
Sir, there is no 79, sir.
Then all are present. Super. Good. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank
Then we have to take the 2 days class. The 2 days class we have to take. 1 day we have to fix. Okay, yeah. Either Saturday or Sunday we can fix. I'll tell you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Tomorrow also I have some work. After that I will tell you. Maybe. Huh? Oh, I have not created group. A group and created. Okay, Amma. Bye. All of you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Bye. Bye.